Did you know that over 69% of cars on US roads are now more than 5 years old? Yet AAA reports that vehicles in this age group are responsible for nearly 58% of all roadside breakdowns nationwide. That's because once a car crosses the 5-year mark, failures don't announce themselves. They build quietly behind the scenes. Most drivers keep using the same habits they had when the car was new, and that mistake alone shortens the car's life by tens of thousands of miles. In this video, we are going to uncover the things you must do if your car is older than 5 years. Stick around until the end, because the Habit 5 is what allows some owners to cross 300,000 miles while others get stuck with endless repair bills. Let's dive in. Trick number 11. Switch to time-based fluid replacement. Once your car crosses the 5-year mark, time becomes just as damaging as miles. According to AAA, over 30% of brake system failures in the US are linked to old or moisture-contaminated brake fluid instead of worn pads. Brake fluid absorbs water over time, lowering its boiling point and increasing stopping distance during emergency braking. Coolant also degrades chemically after about 5 years, losing corrosion inhibitors that protect the radiator, heater core, and water pump. Consumer Reports shows that vehicles with overdue coolant service are 2.4 times more likely to suffer overheating issues. This is why pro mechanics replace fluids based on age, not just miles, once a vehicle passes the 5-year mark. Trick number 10. Inspect rubber components before they fail catastrophically. Rubber doesn't wear out from driving, it dies from age. Hoses, belts, engine mounts, suspension bushings, and vacuum lines begin hardening and cracking after 5 years due to heat cycles and engine bay temperatures. Consumer Reports shows that cooling system hose failures spike sharply after year 5, often causing sudden overheating and engine damage. A $20 cracked hose can destroy a $6,000 engine if it bursts at highway speed. Aging serpentine belts also lose flexibility, increasing the risk of sudden alternator and power steering failure. Pro drivers inspect rubber parts annually after year 5 because rubber almost never gives a warning before it fails. If your car is squealing, vibrating, or running rough, aging rubber is often the hidden cause. Trick number 9. Replace the battery before it strands you. In the US, battery failure is the #1 cause of roadside assistance calls. Most car batteries are designed to last 3 to 5 years, yet many drivers push them well past that limit. After 5 years, battery capacity can drop below 50% without obvious warning signs. Cold weather, short trips, and modern electronics accelerate battery degradation in older vehicles. A weak battery also strains your starter, alternator, and electronic control modules. Consumer Reports shows that replacing a battery proactively reduces electrical system failures by over 60%. Replacing it proactively after 5 years can prevent a cascade of failures that cost hundreds or thousands later. Trick number 8. Refresh suspension and steering for safety, not comfort. Once a car hits 5 years, suspension wear begins affecting safety more than ride quality. Natched data shows that worn shocks and struts can increase stopping distance by up to 20% during emergency braking. Ball joints and tie rods slowly loosen, reducing steering precision and stability at highway speeds. The danger is that this wear happens gradually, so drivers adapt without noticing the decline. Uneven tire wear, steering wander, and vibration are early warnings most owners ignore. Consumer Reports found that suspension refreshes dramatically improve crash avoidance performance in older vehicles. Pro drivers treat suspension maintenance as a safety upgrade, not an optional comfort fix. Trick number 7. Perform preventive fuel system maintenance. After 5 years, carbon buildup becomes one of the biggest silent performance killers in modern engines. The US Department of Energy reports that dirty fuel injectors can reduce fuel economy by up to 10%, costing American drivers hundreds annually. Intake valves, throttle bodies, and injectors slowly accumulate deposits that disrupt airflow and spray patterns. This leads to rough idle, hesitation, poor cold starts, and long-term engine wear. Consumer Reports shows that preventive fuel system maintenance improves drivability and restores lost horsepower in aging cars. Preventive fuel system cleaning restores smooth power delivery, improves cold starts, and protects the engine from long-term wear. Ignoring fuel system health is one of the main reasons engines feel tired after 100,000 miles. Trick number 6. Update maintenance strategy. Many owners make the mistake of following the same maintenance habits they used when the car was new. After 5 years, your car needs shorter oil change intervals, more frequent inspections, and proactive part replacement. Engines with age develop internal clearances that benefit from fresher oil and better filtration. Consumer Reports data shows that older vehicles maintained proactively last significantly longer than those maintained reactively. Waiting for warning lights on an aging car often means damage has already occurred. This is where smart owners separate themselves from those who face endless repair bills. Your car doesn't need more money. It needs smarter timing. Trick number 4. Inspect and service the cooling system proactively. After 5 years, the cooling system becomes one of the biggest engine killers if ignored. According to AAA, over 40% of engine-related roadside breakdowns in the US are caused by cooling system failures. Radiators slowly clog internally, water pumps develop seal wear, and thermostats lose accuracy over time. Many drivers assume coolant alone protects the system, but rubber hoses, plastic fittings, and radiator caps all age together, causing overheating even when coolant levels look normal. Consumer Reports shows that cooling system inspections after year 5 reduce catastrophic overheating by more than 50%. Pro drivers treat cooling maintenance as engine life insurance. Trick number 3. Replace spark plugs and inspect ignition components. Once your car passes 5 years, ignition efficiency quietly declines, even if the engine still starts and runs. According to the US Department of Energy, worn spark plugs can reduce fuel economy by up to 30% in extreme cases, long before misfires become obvious. Even long-life iridium or platinum plugs degrade due to heat cycling, carbon buildup, and electrode erosion. Weak ignition coils force the engine to work harder under load, increasing fuel consumption and internal stress. Consumer Reports warns that unnoticed misfires are one of the leading causes of premature catalytic converter failure, which can cost you thousands of dollars. Aging ignition components also cause rough cold starts. Pro mechanics replace plugs on schedule and test coils early because strong ignition protects both performance and emission systems. Trick number 2. Check wheel bearings and hub assemblies. Wheel bearings rarely fail suddenly when cars are new, but after 5 years, risk increases sharply. NHTSA data links worn wheel bearings to thousands of loss of control incidents annually due to wheel wobble and vibration. Early symptoms include humming noises that change with speed or steering input. Many drivers confuse bearing noise with tire noise and keep driving until failure. Once a bearing overheats, it can damage the hub, axle, and even ABS sensors. Consumer Reports notes that early bearing replacement can save hundreds of dollars per wheel. Pro drivers listen closely for bearing noise because failure often happens at highway speed. Trick number 1. Inspect exhaust and emissions components. Once a car crosses 5 years, exhaust system wear accelerates rapidly. The EPA reports that aging oxygen sensors can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 40% if left unaddressed. Heat cycles cause exhaust gaskets, flex pipes, and hangers to weaken and crack. Small exhaust leaks reduce engine performance and can trigger false check engine codes. Catalytic converters are especially vulnerable when engines run rich due to sensor failure. Consumer Reports shows that early emissions inspections prevent thousands in repair costs. Pro drivers inspect exhaust systems annually because emissions failures often start small and grow expensive fast. That's all for this video. If your car is over 5 years old and you want it to last another decade, these habits are not optional. They are essential. See you in the next video.